Now, sustained revenue buoyancy and broadening of the direct tax base. See, guys, there are two sorts of taxes. I hope you know that. One is your indirect, another is your direct. Now, indirect taxes like GST and all, this is regressive in nature. Why? Because if there is a biscuit of 10 rupees and a rich man pays it, so rich man purchases that 10 rupee biscuit. So rich man is going to pay the same amount of tax as the poor man who is going to purchase this 10 rupee biscuit is going to pay. Now that is a sort of discrimination, because rich man is earning a lot more income. So if you find out the percentage of tax that he is paying based on his income, so for rich man that will be very low. But if you will find out the percentage of indirect tax paid on that biscuit by a poor man based on his income, it will be very high. So it is actually reverse. Actually, reverse is happening here. Poor is paying more percentage of tax, rich is paying less percentage of tax. That's why indirect taxes are regressive. So the agenda of all the government, or strategy of all the governments throughout the world, is to bring more and more people under the umbrella of direct taxes. Okay, direct taxes are progressive in nature, indirect taxes are regressive in nature. So you can see that pre-pandemic average before COVID, 52% was under the direct taxes, 52%, and 48% was under indirect taxes. But now see, in the financial year 25, 59%, 7% increase in the direct taxes and 7% decrease. And this is about the number of people, okay, that have come under this umbrella. So 7% increase we observe in the direct taxes, and 7% people have decreased in the case of indirect taxes. That is the step because of the steps and policies of the government. Now, if we talk about revenue receipt to GDP, okay, revenue receipt to GDP. So from year 2016 to 2020, it was 8.5%. Revenue receipt. You know what is revenue receipt? The money collected by government in the form of taxes and non-taxes. Taxes are direct and indirect. Non-taxes means the fees, the challans, right? Profit, dividend the government gets from the money it has invested. Okay. So our revenue receipt as a percentage of GDP